Let's put together Crafty Little U's new base piece, the mini ladder. Here is your kit, and it's going to come as a DIY unfinished kit. You're going to see on the kit that we lasered in the words top and bottom. This is so we don't get confused with which pieces go on top and which ones go on bottom. We suggest painting this before you start gluing it together. We're going to start with the bottom pieces. You're going to grab the rectangle that has 2 squares and then the rectangle with 2 squares and other little slots in it. And you're going to glue those together. Make sure you line up those squares. Now we're going to glue the top pieces together. You're going to grab the rectangle with 2 squares and a single line. And then the other piece has 1 single line, 2 squares, and lots of little lines in it. And you're going to make sure those 2 squares and the single line are lined up. Now grab your ladder and put some glue on the bottom of it, and those are going to clip right into those base pieces that we just glued together. I got a little bit of extra glue, so I'm just going to use a paintbrush and smooth that out. Now we're going to grab the top piece and put some glue on those and grab that top piece to clip those 2 squares into it just like this. And now the mini ladder is complete.